The angels bow down at the thought of you. The darkness gives way to the light for you. The price that you paid gives us life brand new. Hosanna, forever we worship you. Hosanna, forever. You're singing with me now. Come and say it. The angels bow down at the thought of you. The darkness gives way to the light for you. The price that you paid gives us, He gives us life brand new. Hosanna, forever we worship you. Hosanna, forever we worship you. Hosanna, Hosanna, forever we worship you. Hey, I say Hosanna, hey, 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 Hosanna, Hosanna, forever we worship you. Come on now, hey, Hosanna, 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 we worship you. Hosanna, 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 we worship you. Hosanna, come on! Are you enjoying Jesus where you are? Hey, hey, that wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name, Jesus. There is no other name I know. Do you know another name? Me, I don't know another name. It's only the name of Jesus, because by the mention of the name of Jesus, every knee will bow and every tongue confess that Jesus is Lord. So what other name do I want to know except the name that is mightier than the mightiest?